Hey foodies, welcome and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy yet super delicious garlic butter shrimp. So if you're interested in this recipe, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you could become a part of the foodie family. Now let's begin. Alright guys, so here are all the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. I'm also going to leave a list of ingredients in the description box below so you guys can also go ahead and check that out. I'm going to be using 8 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1/4 cup of white wine or chicken stock. I have a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of creole seasoning. And for the shrimp, I'm going to be using 1.5 pounds of this large jumbo shrimp. Of course, I already went ahead and washed it off and patted it dry, and I removed that shell. I just left the tails on for presentation, but of course you can go ahead and remove those as well. So first you're going to start off by drizzling a generous amount of olive oil in your pan and letting that heat up on medium heat. After that, you're going to follow that up by adding in your 8 tablespoons of butter. Give that a good stir until that melts. Next, you're going to add in your 1/4 cup of white wine. Go ahead and stir that in for about 3 minutes because you want that wine to cook out. Now you can add in your fresh garlic. You're going to go ahead and stir that for about 30 seconds before you add in the shrimp, just so that garlic could cook out a little bit. Now you're going to go ahead and add in your jumbo shrimp and follow that up by adding in your creole seasoning, your paprika, your black pepper, and your crushed red pepper. And you can always find the measurements in the beginning of the video or the description box. But remember, that's just a guide. You can add as little or as much seasoning as you would like. Now I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in about 2 wedges of lemon so we can get that fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and stir that all together so all those seasonings are well combined. But make sure you only stir for a couple of seconds because this is shrimp and we do not want it to overcook. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 additional tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and stir that in as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn them over and just let them cook in that butter for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know they're done when they're nice and pink and they form a nice C shape. And when you're done, you'll have this delicious garlic butter shrimp that took you less than 15 minutes to put together. And when I tell you that sauce is delicious, you definitely need to give that a try. I went ahead and added some lemons in there for garnish. And of course, I went ahead and added some more of that sauce on it because it was just so good and will go so perfect over some pasta noodles. Hope you guys all enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.